Welcome to Timberland Farms. My name's Anthony. Behind me is my 1968 Case 430 diesel tractor. I noticed a slight issue with it when I was hauling, picking up a load of pig feed on the pallet forks. I had the IBC tote, had to refill that and move that over to the pig pasture. The front axle on the passenger side is broken. Take you guys in on how we're going to repair that. We're going to weld that up and do a farmer fix on it. But I apologize in advance. I'm having microphone issues, so audio might be a little different than what you usually expect. So let's get right to it. So right here you can see is the brake and the weld. This has already been repaired once. I went through with a wire brush, cleaned up all the mud and everything off of there, a wire cut brush on the angle grinder, and then I went in there with a grinding disc and chamfered both sides so it's facing this way and it's also facing this way. Give us a nice deep V groove to weld this into. Get you in a little bit closer. So yeah, the only thing that's holding this together is the shaft that goes from this pitman arm, I guess, down to the actual wheel bearing, I guess. Well, let's get it fixed. this thing works. We're just going to leave that ugly for now. As you can tell, it's getting dark, it's getting late. Well guys, that wraps it up. I was able to get the wheel to turn side to side so I can make turns with it. We did not weld that shaft inside that steering knuckle. We're all good to go. It's wet, it's rainy, it's cold. Job is done. Hopefully we won't run into a scenario like this again, because we'll have the 580 CK backhoe up and running, which has a far heavier front axle than this thing does. This is a farm tractor, and that is a construction-oriented machine. That's actual purpose-built to pick heavy things up and lift them high and like full buckets of gravel and to back of dump trucks. So we're actually going to get right back on track with that 580 CK on Sunday. You'll guys see that. We got it ripped apart even further up until then. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.